Hello everybody, it's Ganga here. In today's video, we will see how to create a pop-up for a menu item. So before starting this video, let me show you what we are going to achieve in this today video. So this is my client website, and for them I have created a menu pop-up. So whenever someone click on the request demo, a pop-up appears. So this pop-up is fixed. So suppose you go on to another page also, then also you can, this pop-up will come up. So by default on DB you can't create it. So we will be achieving this kind of thing by help of a one plugin, and let's dive into our tutorial video. You have to install a plugin called Pop-up Maker. So this is the plugin. By the help of this plugin, we will creating the pop-up menu. So install this plugin. As you can see, this plugin got the 5 star and has got 4,119 reviews. So it is one of the you can say best plugin around making the pop-up. So install this plugin. So I want to tell you something cool about this pop-up plugin. This pop-up plugin is very compatible with the DB Builder also. So for you, it will be very easy to create any kind of pop-up. So right now we are creating a contact us pop-up, but you can create any kind of pop-up. So for this example, we will be creating a contact us form pop-up. So what you have to do, first of all, name this pop-up. So let me name it menu pop-up. Now we would be designing this pop-up by help of the DB Builder. So just enable this DB Builder. Now what we will do is, like, we would be adding one section, and inside it we would be adding a row, and then we will be using a contact us form module. So here we by default we get three option: menu, name, email and message. So I would be adding one more field in it for the mobile number. If someone user wants to enter the mobile number, so that he can enter it. So just let me drag it. Let's design few things. Like for example, I want to design the button. So in this case what I will do is, like, I will add a background of red and change the text color to the black, and for the border also I would be selecting only red color. So for this scenario you can design as per your requirement. For uh, tutorial's sake, I am just taking any random. So let's just select it and publish this pop-up. Okay, so there are few pop-up settings. For example, trigger, targeting, display, close and advanced. Like in display you can show them what type of pop-up do you want, but you can see the appearance, size, animation, sound, everything. You can even place the sound also in this pop-up, but for this scenario we not be changing any kind of thing. And what we have to do is, like, we have to go to the menu, and like for in this example what I will do is, like, uh, when you will install this pop-up, so there one option will come up in the menu section, triggered a pop-up. So here you will find all the pop-up which you have created. So we have created menu pop-up, so what we have to select that pop-up and save this menu. Now just visit to our page. Now just click on that button. So as you can see, right now this pop-up has come. So let's just move to another page and see whether it is working or not. So let's just click on here. So this pop-up is working completely fine, but what issue we are facing, like it is overlaying the complete background. So what we have to do is like we have to make that background transparent and change this white color to transparent so that we can see the background thing. So how to do that, how to achieve that thing, I will show you. So just head over to the pop-up maker and go to edit. So now you can see there are few options in the appearance like light box, enterprise blue, hello bar, cutting edge, and this. So if you are comfortable with that thing, you can do, you can leave it as it is. But if you want the background should be transparent, so you can use the light box thing. So after selecting it, you have to just update it, and now refresh our landing page and see whether we have achieved or not. So now you can see our pop-up is coming in Lightbox. So, and one more thing I want to add here, like there will be some kind of customization you might not be seeing, or you might not be able to edit it by the DB builder. So in order to do that, what you have to do is like you have to manually add the CSS code to the your CSS section. And if you find any difficulty in writing CSS or designing this pop-up, you can just leave the comment in the YouTube section. And hope you enjoyed watching this small tutorial. So do subscribe to this YouTube channel. More tutorial videos are coming. Thank you.